So next video Biot-Stewart law. So Biot and Stewart conducted number of experiments. So establish one relation, that is a magnetic field induction and current. Magnetic field induction and current. So this is a AB is the finite conductor. Current pass through the conductor I. A small element dl on the conductor. So dV is the magnetic field of element to determine at P. Determine P from distance R. Theta is the angle between ideal and radius vector R bar. Radius vector R bar. Radius vector R bar. Okay. According to Biot-Stewart law, magnitude of the magnetic field induction dV is directly proportional to current passed through the element I. The first equation. So dV is directly proportional to small element dl. Second equation. So dV is directly proportional to angle sine angle theta. Third equation. So dV is directly proportional to 1 by r square. Fourth equation. dV is inversely proportional to r square. From 1, 2, 3, 4 equations. From 1, 2, 3 and 4. According. So dV is directly proportional to I dl sin theta by r square. By r square. By r square. So dV is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta by r square. R square. So vector notation, that is a dV is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. So I dl into r bar r cap by r square. So r cap is a unit vector, r bar by modulus r. Modulus r is the magnitude. So dV is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl into r bar by r cube. R bar by r cube. So entire the conductor magnetic field B equal to integration mu naught by 4 pi I dl r bar by r cube. So B is equal to integration mu naught by 4 pi into I dl sin theta by r square. Sin theta by r square. So here current pass through the infinity conducting way, find out the magnetic field. So current pass through the infinity way. The straightway current passes through the conductor. I current passes through the conductor and length L. T is the point, distance from conductor D. Distance is small element taken dy from the distance of P. Distance of P R. The angle pi angle taken. The theta angle. So this distance also y. It's also y. Here make an angle P at the end alpha beta. Beta. Alpha beta angle. Okay. According to Biot-Stewart law, dV equal to I dl I dy mu naught by 4 pi into I dy sin theta by r square. R is the distance from the P to small element. P to small element. So here tan pi tan pi equal to y by d. So y is equal to d tan pi. So dy equal to d into secant square pi into d pi. Secant pi equal to r by d. R equal to d secant pi. D secant pi. So here total entire magnetic field straight conductor B is equal to integration mu naught by 4 pi I dy sin theta by r square. So here B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into I dy sin theta by r square. So B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi integration dy. Dy is equal to d secant square pi into d pi sin 90 minus pi. So theta equal to 90 minus pi. Theta equal to triangle theta equal to 90 minus pi. Theta equal to 90 minus pi. Pi d square secant square pi. Secant square pi. Okay. So B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi. So integration d secant square pi into cos pi into d pi by d square secant square pi. Both are cancelled. B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi is equal to cos d also here dd cancelled cos pi d pi. So limits alpha beta. Then alpha here minus beta. Minus beta direction of anti-clockwise direction. B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi d cos sin alpha, cos integration cos pi sin pi alpha minus beta. So B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi d sin alpha plus sin beta. So total entire conductor magnetic field B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi d sin alpha sin beta. Straight wire conductor.